Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, July 12th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, quite a few things about YouTube. YouTube might be actually giving permissions to advertisers to use videos for it. And it comes from a YouTuber that actually reviewed the OnePlus 6 phone. And he says his video was hijacked and transformed into an ad. He suspects that the ad is from OnePlus. YouTube says, yep, it can happen, but that permissions needs to be granted. So kind of interesting. Is YouTube or Google allowing, some videos to be used at advertising? I don't know, but I wouldn't allow it, but it's going to be interesting to see. And talking about YouTube, it's rolling out a new tool to find if someone has uploaded a duplicate video of yours. Now, if you upload an exact duplicate, it already can tell you that the video is already online. But there are many ways to actually upload a video and still have it there, even though it's a duplicate. What's happening is that a lot of content creators, including me, have been, told that some of the videos are stolen. Well, a new tool that is actually going to compare the content of the video with your video is apparently going to be rolling out first to the 100,000 subscribers or more, but eventually to everyone. And it will actually let you know somebody uploaded a duplicate or a possible duplicate, and give you the options of what can be done, contacting the other channel, or filing a copyright complaint, or all of that. So this is going to be interesting, and I think it is something that they need to check out, because a lot of videos are being stolen. Well, an interesting thing happened in build 17713. A few months back, if you guys remember, I probably posted a video saying that, hey, S mode is something you can search for in the insider builds. Well, now it's gone, and so after sets that they've removed, it seems that the S mode is also something not making it to Redstone 5, and we're starting to wonder if slowly but surely Windows 10 S mode is not dying. Now, we know that they are offering some Windows 10 S mode devices, but what is happening exactly? The Facebook Messenger will actually have some changes. Right now, what's happening, a lot of people are being fooled by the fact that someone that pretends to be a friend of yours could be trying to scam you. Now, they are actually using AI and machine learning, and they say that in the next few weeks, people that are being contacted by what they think are fake accounts pretending to be a friend of them will actually have a notification saying, hey, we're not sure that that contact is actually your friend for real. It might be a fake account. So this, I think, is a good thing, because a lot of people are falling for that. Well, Apple is going to have plenty of things to talk about. Already talked about some refresh way ahead of time, but apparently more coming this fall. It seems that pretty much every MacBook lineup will be refreshed. And the Mac Mini that a lot of people were kind of scared of losing is going to be refreshed also. So this is going to be nice for everyone that loves Apple products. New products coming. Already some announced this week. But a lot of stuff will be announced apparently in the fall. Well, is the traffic too high? What's going on? For two consecutive moments this week, the YouTube TV failed again. And it all happened while it was in the World Cup. Are there too many people watching YouTube TV? This is kind of interesting, because this is a major event, and if YouTube wants to push YouTube TV to everybody, one of the things that they need to do is make sure that whatever they want to show or whatever you want to watch is actually going to be there. Twitter, you might maybe find that there's less followers on your Twitter accounts. And if there is, the reason is it has to do with a cleanup that Twitter is actually doing right now. So what they are doing, of course, removing tons of fake accounts and all sorts of accounts that they deem to be a problem. But one of the things that they had not touched yet was locked accounts. A locked account is an account where they actually kind of pushed out the user for some reason. So by banning that user, the account was still there, was still existing, it was just locked down. So if you have some followers that were actually locked down, they will, of course, remove these accounts. That means your followers number might actually be lower. A interesting little post by a Twitter guy called Walking Cat that has a lot of little insider scoops about Microsoft seems to say that in some of the details that we've seen, it would seem that the next version of Windows 10 will be called the October 2018 update, which, you know, would be kind of okay and would follow up on the fact that they called it the April 2018 update last. So the October 2018 update is what might be the next name. And talking about Microsoft, it warned that a lot of jobs might be moving abroad from the United States because the new immigration rules makes it difficult for the company to find some skilled workers it needs. And also, it does hire a lot of foreign employees that have the skills needed. And, you know, because of the new rules, if they actually go outside the country, they can't come back. So Microsoft says it's an important asset to have these employees. And if they can't be there to work, well, Microsoft is just going to go abroad and hire people abroad. And finally, Google says that Google Chrome browser is actually using 10 to 13% more RAM due to the fact that there's Spectre and Meltdown mitigation. It says that it's now implementing and forcing websites to actually do site isolation, as they call it. And that lowers the risk of being infected or having problems. But the problem is, they do say it does use more resource. So if you're already unhappy with how much memory Google Chrome uses, it's getting worse because of the protection, the mitigation they've added to the browser. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, July the 12th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.